welcome back to my channel with me, Zeva. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing well so far. I'm gonna be showing you what I eat in a day. I know nobody asked, nobody searched for this, but I noticed that this is a thing on YouTube, so why not? By the way, I don't have a set routine what I eat in a day. It always changes. My beverage and food choices aren't monotone actually. It also depends where I am, so whether I'm at home or whether I'm in an office setting. So usually if it's in an office setting, I would have to go to the cafeteria or had to do the takeaway or something. And whether I'm out and about, you know, it all depends. But more or less, this is what I eat in a day if I have to make it into one video. However, for my breakfast habits, it hasn't really changed much since I was a child. Want to see what it is? Stay tuned. So that we could be together again. Here it is, my breakfast meal. As you can see, I'm a breakfast type of person. I think breakfast is the most important meal of the day because that is when you gain extra energy for you to face the day, so I cannot skip breakfast. Because I know there are people out there that don't think breakfast is important. Well, I think that breakfast is important. I have a mix of cereal, fruits, juice, and also bread. Nowadays, I don't drink dairy anymore, so I have switched it to almond milk. This is my favorite vegetable-based milk. I don't like my toast burned. So I like it crunchy like this. That's why it still looks white, because I prefer it this way. Sorry if I ever hurt you. And I'm so sorry, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt anybody. And I'd be so sorry if I ever hurt you. This is really good, this is really fresh, and it will definitely help me get through the day. If I have extra time in the morning and I want a boost of energy, I would usually cut up a navel orange. These are my all-time favorites. When I was younger, I used to play netball, and a memory that I have is that in halftime, for example, we would have to eat oranges to boost our energy. That's why this has a lot of memories for me. Okay, so usually after eating my breakfast and I eat all those fruits, I would have peels leftovers, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be composting this. But before I do that, this is optional, but I like to chop up the peels in smaller pieces. So make an incision and pull it away like that. Just do it quickly. It's not really going to take a lot of time. So this is going to help with the composting process. And after this, I'm going to be putting it in the temporary composting bin before I put it into the actual composting bin, because sometimes I don't want to open up my compost bins and I just use a temporary compost bin to throw these away. Excuses. We're approaching lunchtime. Usually for lunchtime, there are many things that I prefer to eat, and depending on where I am at the moment, whether it's at home or in an office setting or I'm out and about. But for this occasion, I'm going to be showing you an Indonesian favorite. Majority of Indonesian households love to make this. It's easy to make, it's versatile, it's quick. It's called nasi goreng kampung, or village fried rice. I think why it's called kampung or village to the name is because when we eat nasi goreng or fried rice, it just gives us memories of back home with our family, where we come from, our roots. That's why it's called kampung. So these are the basic ingredients that you will need. There are many methods to make fried rice, even Indonesian fried rice, but this one is the one that I will make. To complement the sauce, you would definitely need this ketchup or sweet soy sauce. It's a must when you want to make fried rice. Don't forget this.
It's useless to worry about what I can't change. If it doesn't fit, okay, I'll go with.
Now for this recipe, for these amounts of ingredients, I'm going to be needing 2 plates of rice.
It's a beautiful state of mind. Commit to positivity. Comes back to just one thing.
Here's my lunch. I have garnished it with lettuce and also cherry tomatoes and some crackers. This is called kentang Mustafa. It's an Indonesian potato-based chip. It's super delicious. I love it. And there's also these little fish crackers.
I'm not afraid of time. I'm always getting better, always in my prime. I don't need the stars to align, 'cause I'm always getting better.
It is now nearing dinner time, and I'm going to be making a dinner dish called ikan nila bakar, or in English it's tilapia, broiled tilapia. I'm gonna be using an oven just to get it out there, get the word out there. I don't frequently use the oven, but sometimes I do. Let's get started. So these are all the ingredients that you will need to prepare. Of course, you will also need the fish itself. This is ikan nila or tilapia fish. This equates to 500 grams more or less.
One day soon she'll see. Now when she's feeling alone, she's always got me. It doesn't matter what I say to assure. She craves my happiness and devalues hers. She does not know what love is. Spits at her own image. Bella is not beautiful. She looks at her arm, 6 scars down her wrist. It's then when she questions how it came to this. I used to cherish life and love my own skin. When will I learn to feel the light again? My soul must be polluted. I've been persecuted. I need to care for my own heart. I love you, Bella. Can't you see? Can't you see how very simple it can be?
This is really good. It's a mix of the fish
Love you.
that is very well marinated. It's just lovely. And then there's also grilled capsicum.
You wanna try it with me?
And then the cherry tomatoes again. I just love cherry tomatoes. And then this tempeh crackers. I love it.
Face is her reflection and no lie.
And usually after I finish my meal, I will eat a fruit. And here is a nasi pear.
Find the hidden beauty.
So that's a wrap. This is what I eat in a day, more or less. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Of